Hello guys, welcome back to my video. For this one, we will practice about the solving equation with variable appear two side of equation. So this video is not will have you practice more exercise about this question, this equation. So you can stop video before I give you the final answer, and then you can work it by yourself, and then you play video for watching my solution. Okay, so for question 1, you got 3x plus 4 equal to 2x plus 8. So for this question, I will move everything from both two sides, move to left hand side, and you got here is minus 2x. That is not 2x anymore. That is it have to be minus 2x. So 8 minus 4 for another side, and here is x and here is 4. So that is the equation 1. Equation 2, you got x plus 7 equal to 4x plus 4, and you will have minus 4 for this side plus 7 and 4x minus x like this. I will move x from smaller x to larger x. 4x in right hand side is larger than x in left hand side, so that's why I move x from here to become here. Yeah, and you got here is 3, and how about this? Here is 3x because you have 4x minus 8 become to 3x, and then you got 3 here standalone is captain divided by 3. You got 1 equal to x. Okay, another question. You got question 3. 2x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 4. So where is bigger x? Yeah, 5x is bigger, so I will keep unchanged here. Move 2x from left hand side to right hand side, and then you move minus 4 from right hand side to left hand side, and then you got here is 9. This one is 3 times x. So apply captain on top. You got 9 is captain divided by 3, and then you got 3 equal to x. Question 4, you got easy. Question 5, x minus 11. So I think you can work it by yourself like this. 5x minus 3x. You got 2x in left and right. This one is 10. And then you got 10 divided by 2 equal to x. So 5 equal to x like this. Yes, so okay, that is the number for question 4. Yeah, so question 5, 6, 7, 8 is the same thing. So I think you can work it by yourself. Yeah, now stop video right now and work question 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, or you can skip that to your homework. The next one, I will have you to question this column, and here is your homework. Okay, now start with question 13. I will write down question 13 in this position. Yeah, a little bit harder, I think so. Okay, you got 5x in left hand side and minus 4x, so I will move it to left hand side, and 5x here plus 4x. This is plus because this side is minus in right hand side. Move it to left, you have plus 4x. And the same thing for minus 6. Minus 6 in left is minus. And move it to right hand side, you got plus 6. So here is 9. Here is 9x. And this is, you got x equal to 9 over 9 equal to 1. Okay. Question 14. This is 24 minus 4x. 4x from right move to left become to only 4x. 24 here minus 12 because I moved 12 from left to right. And you got here is 6x, and this one is 12. Captain on top. 12 over 6 equal to 2. Okay, 15, this is, and this one, and 8 plus 2x. So I will move it like this. -6 move to right. I move every x to right hand side because after that I will have positive x. 8x here, 24 here, and then you got 24 divided by 8 become to 3 equal to x. So x equal to 3 is my final answer for this question. Okay, and the last one for question 16. 9 minus 3x minus 5 plus 4x like this. So I will move every x from two sides, move to right hand side. Yes, so I've got here is 3x plus 4x, and then you got 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 you got 14 and 7x like this, and then you got 14 divided by 7 equal to x equal to 2. Yes, that's it. Okay, I hope you can understand this question, this video, and yeah, you have 8 questions for your homework, 9 to 12 and 5 to 8. Yeah, that is not too difficult. You can work it by yourself, but very carefully about your writing. You should show your working out for each question one by one, step by step, line by line. Yeah, you should not only write down your answer. That is very bad way for understanding. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.